What we're using today is just a Steelhead cure from ProCure, the fuse out of the jar. And then I just, once they were all cured up, I just poured a bunch of ProCure borax on top of them to keep them, you know, in the freezer for till I use them. And we'll go give it a whirl.
So a lot of times with the Steelhead cures, they're a lower sulfite base cure. They're more sugars and borax and things like that, and salt. You start adding in a bunch of chemicals. There's been millions of fish caught on borax or sulfite based eggs, but it's just Steelhead don't seem to be too keyed into chemicals like salmon are. So it's for Steelhead, I use a really mild cure, and these eggs are actually Dave's. I got some cured up here as well, but it's basically the same cure we're using. So it's either way, they're both good productive cures. There wasn't nothing there, which is unusual. So we're gonna run down and try the next hole down around the corner and see if there's some fish in there. We will find them eventually. Gotta wake them up. Finally, we earned that one.
Yes, we did.